Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Magim Sajjad from CID News Network with my program Around the World in 60 Seconds. National Assembly passes Domestic Violence Bill. The National Assembly on Monday passed the Islamabad Capital Territory Senior Citizens Bill 2020 and the Domestic Violence Prevention and Protection Bill 2020. The Islamabad Capital Territory Senior Citizens Bill aims to socially and economically protect the senior citizens of Islamabad. Hospitals getting overwhelmed, ignoring SOP's major mistake, says Asad Umar. Minister for Planning, Development and Special Initiatives Asad Umar on Monday said due to non-compliance of the standard operating procedures set to control spread of COVID-19, the situation in the country getting worse. Pakistan bans passengers from India as corona cases spike. The National Command and Control Center on Monday decided to ban passengers coming into the country from India after coronavirus cases in the neighboring country witnesses a spike. Delhi locks down as COVID chokes Indian health system. India's capital region of Delhi ordered a 6-day lockdown as daily COVID-19 cases nationwide hit a new record. The health system crumbled under the weight of new infections. US formally invites Pakistan to President Biden's climate change summit. Backtracking its earlier decision, the United States administration has now extended an invitation to Pakistan to participate in the virtual global climate summit scheduled for April 22nd. 5.9 magnitude earthquake hits Iran. An earthquake measuring 5.9 on the Richter scale Sunday hit Iran's southwestern province, which houses a nuclear power plant, injuring 5 people but causing no major damage. China's President Xi calls for more equitable global governance. Chinese President Xi Jinping said on Tuesday that the global governance system should be made more equitable and fair, and that rules set by one country or some nations cannot be imposed on others. Germany mounts its 80,000 COVID dead at memorial. Germany held a national memorial service on Sunday for its nearly 80,000 victims of the coronavirus pandemic, putting aside deep divisions over COVID restrictions to share the pain of grieving families. UAE urged to ease visa restrictions on Pakistanis. UK adds India to COVID travel red list as PM Johnson cancels trip. Health Secretary Matt Hancock said India was being added to Britain's red list of countries, banning all arrivals from India except for UK or Irish nationals. Terrorism threat has moved from Afghanistan, says top US envoy. United States Secretary of State Antony Blinken has defended the country's decision to withdraw from Afghanistan, saying the terror threat had moved elsewhere and that Washington needed to refocus resources on challenges such as China and the pandemic. This is end of today's international news. Thank you for watching CID News Network, Islamabad.